Imagine this. You are standing in front of a mountain, not a normal mountain, a mountain made entirely of plastic. By 2050, scientists say the world could accumulate 12 billion metric tons of plastic waste. That's about 2000 times heavier than Great Pyramid of Giza. And the scary part, most of it will still exist because plastic does not biodegrade. Let's rewind. Back in 1950, the entire world produced only 2 million tons of plastic per year. Today, that number has exploded to more than 380 million tons every year. In just 65 years, plastic became the fastest growing manufactured material in human history. So far, humanity has produced around 8.3 billion tons of plastic. And here is the real problem. That production created about 6.3 billion tons of plastic waste, and what happened to it? Only 9% was recycled, around 12% was burned in incinerators, and a massive 79% ended up in landfills, oceans, or the natural environment, just sitting there for hundreds of years. Plastic pollution did not just grow quietly. In 1960, plastic made up only 1% of municipal waste. By 2005, it crossed 10% in developed countries, and global waste keeps increasing every year. The biggest producers, China alone accounts for about 28% of the world's plastic resin production and nearly 68% of global acrylic fiber production. But plastic pollution is not a single country's problem, it's a global system problem. Scientists say plastic waste has only three main endings. First, recycling. But recycling only delays the problem because most plastic can't be recycled forever. Second, incineration. Burning plastic destroys it, but it requires strict pollution controls. Third, landfills or the environment, which is where most plastics ends up today, floating in oceans, buried underground, or breaking into microplastic inside food and water. So, what's the real solution? A fourth option? Use less plastic in the first place, because if production continues the same way, the planet won't just have plastic pollution, it will have plastic landscapes. And the mountain of plastic we are building today is the one future generations will have to climb.